AAA alone handles more than 27 million roadside calls every year in America, and dead batteries are consistently the #1 reason. Here is what nobody tells those drivers before it happens. Having a jump starter is not enough. Having the right one is what actually separates getting home from waiting 2 hours in a dark parking lot for a tow. Right now, there are over 40 options flooding Amazon, and 2 of these 6 picks were independently lab tested in below freezing conditions. One of them sat untouched in a glove box for 18 straight months and still fired up a truck on the first attempt. I will also reveal one secret tip at the end, a single spec most buyers completely skip, that determines whether your jump starter works or fails when it matters most. All product links are in the description. Starting at number 6 is the Wolfbox MegaVolt16 Air, and it earns a spot on this list for one reason that no other pick on this countdown can match. It is a jump starter and a tire inflator in the same device, tested and validated by independent reviewers in 2026. The real numbers: 3,000 peak amps, a 16,000 mAh battery rated at 59.2 watt-hours, handling gasoline engines up to 8 liters and diesel engines up to 6 liters. The built-in air compressor maxes out at 160 psi and inflates up to 45 tires on a single full charge. That covers your own truck tires after a slow leak, your travel trailer before a weekend trip, and your neighbor's flat before they even think about calling anyone. Tech Gear Lab purchased 13 jump starters in 2026 for a controlled head-to-head lab comparison. They named this the best multi-purpose jump starter they have ever tested. During their cold weather evaluation, it jump-started a V6 SUV multiple times at 33 degrees Fahrenheit without hesitation. Their note on the battery matters. The 59.2 watt-hour pack inside is larger than most standalone jump starters, which means the air compressor is not drawing from your jump starting reserve. Both functions are genuinely full strength. It also functions as a power bank with USB-C fast charging, carries a 400 lumen LED flashlight with SOS and strobe modes, and holds an IP64 weather resistance rating for light rain and splashing water. Price sits around $119 to $130. It runs slightly larger than a standard jump starter because of the compressor hardware. If that extra inch of trunk space is worth never circling a gas station looking for a working air hose again, this is your pick. At number 5 is the GOOLOO GP2000. The honest budget pick for drivers who want a unit that works when it counts, without paying for specs they do not need. It puts out 2,000 peak amps and handles engines up to 8.0 liters of gas and 6.0 liters of diesel. At roughly 1.2 pounds, it is one of the lightest options in its power class and fits in a glove box with room to spare. Tech Gear Lab's 2026 lab tests confirmed it handled 8 consecutive jump starts on a 2.5 liter engine before needing a recharge. The tester's honest note: it was not as aggressive on large truck batteries. If you drive a heavy-duty diesel, skip ahead to number 3. But for standard cars, crossovers, motorcycles, and boats, it handles the job reliably. 10 built-in safety protections cover short circuit, reverse polarity, overcurrent, high temperature, and overvoltage. It operates down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit and carries a 24-month standby rating. It will not silently drain on you over a single winter. Car and Driver and Autoblog have both pointed to GOOLOO as a dependable brand. Street price runs $50 to $80. For that price, very few units come close. Number 4 is the Hulkman Alpha 85. And this is the pick for the driver who wants long-term readiness combined with a user experience that guides you through the process in plain language. No mechanical knowledge required. The Alpha 85 outputs 2,000 peak amps from a 20,000 mAh 74 watt-hour battery, rated for engines up to 8.5 liters of gas and 6.0 liters of diesel. The standout specification for real-world use is the standby time. Hulkman officially rates it at 18 months before the battery self-discharges. Put it in the trunk in January, genuinely forget it exists, pull it out in July, it will still hold usable charge. That is the number that separates this from most of the competition on this list. The 3.3-inch smart display shows battery percentage, connection status, and error codes in plain language. If the clamps are reversed, it tells you. If the charge is too low to attempt to start, it tells you. For anyone buying this for a family member, a parent, or a spouse who is not comfortable under a hood, that real-time guidance is worth more than any spec on the page. The 65-watt speed charge technology takes it from 0 to 80% in 1 hour, with a full charge in 90 minutes. AutoGuide tested the Alpha 85S variant in real conditions and confirmed it revived a completely dead 2008 Subaru Forester within 20 seconds. They then pushed it onto a 6.5-liter diesel truck, past its official rating, and it still managed to crank the starter twice before the heat protection activated. The price runs $129 to $160. For 18-month standby, a clear display, And that kind of tested performance under pressure, the Hulkman Alpha 85 justifies every dollar. Third place goes to the GOOLOO GT6000. And if you drive a diesel truck, a large RV, a Cummins, a Duramax, or any vehicle where a standard jump starter has already let you down at least once, this is the section to pay attention to. The GT6000 puts out 6,000 peak amps. Most budget competition tops out at 1,500 to 2,000. This one is rated for all gasoline engines and diesel engines up to 12.0 liters. A 6.7 Cummins diesel, a 6.6 Duramax, a 7.3 Power Stroke, engines that need serious current turnover, are all within this unit's capability. No other option on this list except number 1 gets anywhere near that coverage. The battery holds 27,000 mAh with 100 watt bidirectional USB-C fast charging. Empty to full takes 1.4 hours. In a real emergency where the unit itself is dead, 7 minutes of charging gives you enough power for one jump start. If you're sitting in a cold parking lot at night with a dead phone and a dead battery, that 7-minute window is the difference between handling it yourself and calling for a tow at 11 p.m. The 3.2-inch SmartView LCD walks you through the process clearly. IP65 weather resistance handles rain and road conditions without issue. A 400 lumen flashlight with SOS and strobe modes, a 15-volt DC port for running accessories, and 2 USB-A outputs make this a complete emergency kit in a single package. Adventure Rigs magazine documented the GT6000 firing up a Cummins diesel truck that died mid-trail in a real off-road situation. The exact scenario where every other jump starter in this price range would have come up short. GOOLOO claims over 70 jump starts per charge, a 24-month standby window, and backs the unit with a 30-month warranty when registered in the United States. Current Amazon street price sits at $129 to $140, down from an MSRP of $239.99. At that street price, the output per dollar ratio is the strongest anywhere on this list. At number 2 is the NOCO Boost X GBX45, and this is where precision engineering and a brand that professional mechanics actually trust, not just YouTube reviewers, become worth paying for. NOCO does not run flashy campaigns. It is the name that shows up in actual garages, service bays, and fleet vehicles. The GBX45 puts out 1,250 peak amps, rated for 6.5-liter gas and 4.0-liter diesel engines, in the most compact and tightly built package on this entire list. It weighs 2.64 pounds and fits in a coat pocket. The feature that matters most in the real world is recharge speed. The GBX45 hits full charge in just 48 minutes via USB-C power delivery, faster than any other unit on this list. And if the unit is completely drained before you need it, just 5 minutes of charging gives enough power for an emergency start. For drivers over 55 who want a reliable backup in a family vehicle, or anyone who wants something to pass to a spouse, parent, or adult child with 0 instructions needed, that 5-minute recovery is not a bonus feature. It is a genuine safety net. NOCO's UltraSafe 2.0 protection system is spark-proof by design. The 60-second auto shutoff timer protects the battery automatically. Power it on, start your vehicle within 60 seconds, and it cuts off on its own. No menu, no settings, no possibility of a mistake. The 60-watt USB-C port charges laptops in the field. A 100-lumen LED flashlight is standard. Price sits at $100 to $120. Honest limitation, diesel engines above 4.0 liters exceed its rating, and those drivers should be at number 3 or number 1. But for the vast majority of American drivers, cars, crossovers, light trucks, motorcycles, boats, the GBX45 is one of the most reliable and fastest charging jump starters available today. It is the unit professional mechanics keep in their own vehicles. That speaks louder than any review. The number 1 spot on this list belongs to the WOLFBOX MegaVolt24. And this is the pick for the driver who wants to buy a jump starter once, toss it under the seat, and never think about it again. Because it will be there, ready every single time. The MegaVolt24 puts out 4,000 peak amps from a 24,000 mAh battery, handling engines up to 10 liters for both gasoline and diesel. Full-size Ford F-150, Ram 1500 with a diesel engine. Large V8 pickup, all covered, with capacity to spare. Tech Gear Lab, after lab testing 13 jump starters head-to-head in a controlled environment with results updated in April 2026, named the MegaVolt24, the best all-around jump starter for most people. Their reasoning was specific, powerful enough for large engines, compact enough to fit under a seat, and the 24,000 mAh battery is large enough to hold usable charge for multiple starts, even after sitting in a vehicle for months without maintenance. For the driver, who does not baby their emergency gear, and most people do not, that last detail is the most important one. Men's Journal tested it across several months in real-world conditions and reported it never failed a single jump start during the entire review period. They called the price steep, then said the results erased every doubt. A verified Jeep Wrangler owner documented using it to jump 2 different co-workers' vehicles in a single week, without recharging once in between. And Pro Tool reviews confirmed that, like every other lithium polymer jump starter they have put through testing, it fired a vehicle without question. The 65-watt fast charging works on both input and output, so it tops off while you run a short errand. It powers on automatically when the clamps connect, shows a large green start signal when it is ready, and runs through 10 levels of built-in protection. The IP64 rating stands up to light rain, puddle splashing, and the kind of weather a dead battery always seems to choose. And here is the single detail that separates the MegaVolt24 from everything else on this list. WOLFBOX backs it with a lifetime warranty. Not 1 year, not 30 months, lifetime. That is not a spec. That is a statement about the product. Current price sits at $159 to $170. Independent lab validation, a lifetime warranty, and proven multi-start reliability across large engines at that price point. This is the #1 pick. Now the secret buying tip I promised. Most buyers only look at peak amps. That is a mistake. The spec that actually determines how many real starts you get, especially in cold weather, is the watt-hour rating. A unit can advertise 4,000 peak amps and still die on you after 2 attempts in January if the internal battery is undersized. Always check watt hours before you buy. All 6 product links are in the description. Save this video before your battery makes that decision for you. Hit the like button if this helped you. See you in the next one.